Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Spanish Town Road and we're heading towards the 3 miles overpass. So someone had asked us to do a video of the overpass to see if there was any damage after the earthquake. Now we didn't hear of any damage to the overpass, but we're going to take a tour of it today to see what's going on with it. Now, this overpass is the only double overpass in Jamaica. It was built by China Harbour Engineering Company a few years ago. So it's fairly new. So the spot of the overpass now is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. It's at the intersection of Spanish Town Road, which is the road we're on, and Hagley Park Road. Now, this road, Spanish Town Road, takes you from Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, to downtown Kingston. And it intersects Hagley Park Road. And Hagley Park Road takes you to Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica. So the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road is also the intersection of the roads that take you from the busiest road in Jamaica, which is Mandela Highway, to Halfway Tree, the busiest place in Jamaica. So that's why it's the busiest intersection. It also takes you to downtown Kingston. At that intersection, you can go to Portmore and you can also go to the Wharf in Jamaica. So Spanish Town Road now, which is the road we're on, they have put together a project, a $11 billion project to rehabilitate this road. They're looking for funding. They recently did some work on the pipes. They increased the size of the pipes because there are a lot of communities off this road that Water Commission has to supply with water, so they put in bigger pipes so that they would have a better supply. And no word yet on when the road project is going to start, but they have done the preliminary estimates and it's going to be 11 billion to rehabilitate this road. But it needs to be done because this is a busy road. Now, just to give you an example, look at this road. Not one white line on it. It's ridiculous. One of the busiest roads in Jamaica and not one white line on the road. It's a 3-lane road, 6 lanes when you take into account the other side. And look, not one white line. I'll never understand why it's so hard to put the white lines on the road. And we did a video. We actually did a video of the contractor or persons putting the white line on the Southern Coastal Highway. It's so easy. It's a machine you sit in and drive, and it just drives, and you direct it, and the machine puts in the line. Yet so many roads in Jamaica don't have the white line. I don't know. But a 6-lane road, 6 lanes, one of the busiest roads in Jamaica, no white lines. Well, when that $11 billion project is done, I'm sure they'll put in the white lines. Alright, back on topic now, guys. We're going to take a look at the overpass. Alright, so straight ahead, the overpass is coming into view now. Alright, so there it is. And it's structurally fine. If not, they would have closed it. And as we said at the beginning, we didn't hear of any damage to this structure. Now, this structure was built by China Harbour Engineering Company, and they are among the 10 largest contractors in the world. So I would have been really surprised if there was any damage out here. There you can see it's still being used. And what would be interesting, I don't know if anybody knows, but we're going to try and find out, is like that overpass, for example, it's built to withstand an earthquake of what magnitude? It's very interesting. I'm not sure if anybody knows, but like what size earthquake would have to hit for a structure like that to affect a structure like that, basically. We're going to turn back around now and give you a view from the other side. Alright guys, there we're just going to zoom in now and show you no damage to the 3 miles overpass. And this is the only double overpass in Jamaica. So the top lane now is Hagley Park Road, and the lower lane where you see that bus driving now, that is Spanish Town Road. And you still have the original intersection on the ground level. But with the overpass, it has helped a great deal with the flow of traffic. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.